Bristol has a reputation for being a green city and has taken various steps to promote sustainability. The city has made significant efforts to reduce carbon emissions, increase renewable energy usage, and improve air quality. Bristol has implemented measures to promote cycling and walking, enhance public transportation, and create green spaces. Initiatives such as the Bristol Green Capital Partnership, the One City Plan, and the Bristol Climate Emergency Declaration demonstrate the city's commitment to addressing climate change and promoting sustainability. Bristol has been officially handed the status of European Green Capital by the outgoing city Copenhagen in 2015. Bristol was the first UK city to be named as European Green Capital since the award was launched in 2008. The Bristol's One City Plan. First launched by Mayor Marvin Rees in 2019, the One City Plan provides timelines for each of the 6 themes. The themes contains 3 goals per year through to 2050. With the goals for each year building on the goals of the preceding years. The goals are based on the business plans of organizations in Bristol, feedbacks from groups, such as the mayoral commissions, and then finally chosen by the members of the relevant theme board. The first theme is children and young people. By 2050, everyone in Bristol will have the best start in life, gaining the support and skills they need to thrive and prosper in adulthood. Number 2, economy and skills. By 2050, everyone in Bristol will contribute to a sustainable, inclusive and growing economy from which all will benefit. Number 3, environment. By 2050, Bristol will be a sustainable city with low impact on our planet and a healthy environment for all. Number 4, homes and communities. By 2050, everyone in Bristol will live in a home that meets their needs within a thriving and safe community. Number 5, transport. By 2050, everyone will be well connected with digital services and transport that is efficient, sustainable, and inclusive, supporting vibrant local neighborhoods and a thriving city center. And finally, number 6, health and well-being. By 2050, everyone in Bristol will have the opportunity to live a life in which they are mentally and physically healthy. Bristol Energy Network is an umbrella organization for individuals and community groups with an interest in energy in Bristol and the surrounding area. BEN has over 20 member groups working towards a fair, sustainable energy system. They are involved in many different energy projects, including assisting people struggling to pay their energy bills, advising people on how to reduce their energy use, and raising money for and installing community-owned renewable energy projects. For example, installing solar panels on community buildings. BEN's core areas of work are reflected in the Bristol Community Strategy for Energy, which was created collaboratively in 2013. Bristol's Community Strategy for Energy focuses on 5 specific areas of interest. Number 1, local economic development. Number 2, community resilience and less fuel poverty. Number 3, understanding energy and behavior. Number 4, energy efficiency and low carbon. And number 5, renewable energy generation. In the scope of local economic development, there are 3 key points. Number 1, training and employment opportunities. Number 2, new low-carbon expertise. Number 3, money stays in community. Within the scope of the second focus, that is, community resilience and less fuel poverty, It could be subdivided into 4 points. Number 1, more grassroots groups and projects. Number 2, equal access across the city. Number 3, empowered and engaged citizens. And number 4, reduce fuel poverty. In the third aspect, that is, understanding energy and behavior, there are 4 specific points of interest. Number 1, education for energy literacy. Number 2, embed energy knowledge. Number 3, long-lasting change to a more energy-efficient lifestyle. And number 4, neighborhood communication on using less energy. In the fourth aspect, that is, energy efficiency and low carbon, it could be subdivided into 3 points. Number 1, energy used more efficiently by consumers. Number 2, improved take-up of low-carbon technologies. And number 3, more energy-efficient buildings. Finally, in the fifth aspect, that is renewable energy generation, it is subdivided into 3 points. Number 1, less dependency on centralized energy supply. Number 2, local ownership of energy assets. And number 3, diversify energy production.